Hello, my name is Usman Aryan. I came from Pakistan. I live in eastern China's Wuhu city. The city where I live became the sub-area of free trade zone. Numerous products made here export to different countries of all around the world. There must be some surprises waiting us, so let's find it out. Since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, what has been most in demand in the world? Mask. That's right. Right now I'm inside in the production line of the mask. They are producing non-stop masks. How many countries these masks sold to?
We export our face mask around the world. The main market is the Japanese market, European market, and the USA market.
The mask I have right now in my hand is not the ones we usually use. Is there anything special in this mask?
This is a 3D dimension face mask. It can make your face look small and do not stick the lipstick.
Do you have any pet at your house? Maybe the dog training pets, the cat litter, and the pet shampoo you bought for your furry friend produced in this factory. Hello, hi, the same person.
Hi, yeah, it's me.
Oh, thank you. So, can you please tell me how many countries these products sold to?
We export our honey care products to more than 40 countries, such as Japanese market, American market, South Korean market, and so on.
In China, live streaming is a very popular sales approach. After rolling out from the production line, the mask can be sold to all around the world. Right behind me is a live streaming room. I hear that through live streaming, once a company sold masks worth 5 million yuan in a day. Now, let's go inside and see how the business magic happens here. Various products such as robots, automobiles, and home appliances are shipped to the world every day from Wuhu. I hope that with the development of free trade zones, more high-quality products made in China can enter global families, and more global companies will settle here and share the development opportunities with China.